Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? So guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about multivitamins and why it's important. So we all have a really busy lifestyle. We're busy with work. Housewives also are so busy with the kids. They have to cook, and especially women, they have a lot of work. They don't take care of themselves. I know they don't eat properly. You guys don't drink water properly. So multivitamins, it's really important. And today, this product is from Healthvit, which I've been taking. It's called Cenvitan. And sometimes you work so much, you're so tired, even by like 6-7 in the evening you feel exhausted. This is really important, guys. Multivitamins, it will boost up your energy, you'll have a better metabolism, your skin will glow, and you'll just feel nice, energetic and happy. So it's very important to take a lot of vitamins that we don't from daily food. So I'm going to tell you what all this product has. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, D, E, it has zinc, it has magnesium, it has copper. There are so many good things which we don't get in our regular food that we eat. And I'm going to open this product and show you. So it comes in this. I'll show you what it looks like. So you're supposed to take 1 tablet a day. This is the tablet. I've been taking this for about 2 weeks now, and I've actually seen a lot of better results. My skin has also become quite clear, and I don't feel tired. I have good energy level, and of course my metabolism is much better now. So 1 tablet a day, every day, and this is for women. And Healthvit is a really nice brand. This is their latest product. They have a lot of multivitamins tablets. You can see it on Nykaa, on Amazon. You'll get it there. I'll put the link down below from where you can get this. Do try it, especially ladies, women out there. Try it for about a month and you will definitely see results. And if you have any other questions, anything related to multivitamins, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you soon, guys. Thank you.